We are starting with numericals. Of electrochemistry. Okay. So the first question is, write down, beta, calculate the EMF of the cell. You have to calculate EM of the cell. ठीक. You are given with, write down, this is 0.1 molar. Okay. And the concentration of the, the concentration of the silver ion, which is zinc and silver cell. The concentration of the silver ion is given with 0.01 molar. Okay. And you are given with E naught. E naught of zinc 2 positive. The value is given as 0.76 volt, and E naught of Ag positive and Ag is 0.80 volt. And you are given with log 10. Is equal to, you know, it is 1. Okay. You are given with log 10 is equal to 1. ठीक है बेटे, ये हमारा न्यूमेरिकल है. सबसे पहले हमने E नॉट निकालनी होती है. So I have changed the numeric the values like this. You have to see. I will tell you. You have to see. You are given with reduction potential or the oxidation potential. As it is changing from Ag positive to Ag, means it is getting reduced. So it is reduction potential. You have to take the value as such. But in this particular, the E naught value is given as zinc to zinc 2 positive. Means it is getting oxidized, and thus it is called oxidation potential. To make it to the reduction potential, you will convert like minus 0.76 volt. See the question carefully. ठीक. अब इसके बाद let us find what is the cathode and what is the anode in our cell. What is our trick? Our trick is -3, 0, +3. So we are having the value of minus 0.76 and plus 0.80. Okay. So it is understood, bete, the value that is minus 0.76 is above and plus 0.80 is down. So it is anode and this is cathode. So from here we will find E naught first. Now what will be the E naught? E naught is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So what is cathode? That is 0.80 minus 0.76. Okay. So it will be 0.80 plus 0.76. And the value thus you are getting is 0.1.56 volt. So here we got E naught, but we have to find EMF in this particular reaction. Now we have to find the number of electron involved. Okay. Now, at the cathode, at cathode and at anode. So our cathode, that is our silver, ठीक, silver Ag positive will be changing into Ag because it is our cathode. At anode, as there is oxidation, as anode, there is an oxidation, means zinc will be changing into zinc 2 positive. Then you have to write the reaction. As it is changing into zinc 2 positive, 2 electrons are released. As it is changing from Ag positive to Ag, you will add 1 electron. You will add 1 electron. Now you have done bete redox chapter of class +1. Before adding the equation, you must equalize the electron. So we'll multiply this equation by 2. So we will getting the answer, that is 2 Ag positive plus zinc, giving us 2 Ag plus zinc 2 positive. So this is our final reaction, for which we have to find E naught. E. Now what is E bete? E is E naught cell minus 0.059 N log the concentration of the product, means zinc की concentration, over concentration of the reactant, raised to the power their stoichiometric coefficient. The coefficient of Ag positive is 2. For the zinc, it is 1. For the zinc, it is 1. Now you will be putting the value of E naught, which we have find bete plus 1.56. It's not visible, I am writing up now. The value of this is E naught, we have already find out, that is 1.56. 0.059 divided by N means number of electron. So total there were 2 log. What is the concentration given in the bracket for the zinc? It was 0.1. And what is the concentration of silver? It is 0.01. Solve it, bete. Hurry up. The solving portion you will do, and I have told you how to do the numerical. Okay. So you will solve it and you will get the answer 1.4715. This answer you will get after solving this particular numerical. Okay. So one more numerical of this type I am taking, then I will take the other type of numerical. So write down, it is 2018, came in 2018 paper. Write the cell reaction. You have to write the cell reaction and calculate the EMF, the following cell. Sn solid, Sn2 positive. The concentration of Sn2 positive is given 0.004 molar. Okay? 0.004 molar. And H positive is changing into 0.020 molar, and H2 1 bar platinum solid. Now E naught for S2 positive to Sn is given as, the value is minus 0.14 वोल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन की देने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन की इट इज 0. अब या तो हम ट्रिक लगाएं या तो हमें सीधा ही पता है ये कौन सा कंपार्टमेंट है बेटे. दिस इज एनोडिक एंड दिस इज कैथोडिक. वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. दिस इज एनोडिक and this is cathodic and this is the salt bridge. Simple. In the previous question you can do like this. और कई बारी में ऐसे गिवन नहीं होता तो वैसे आपने एनोड और कैथोड निकाल सकती है. अब E नॉट निकालने के लिए E नॉट इज इक्वल टू E नॉट कैथोड माइनस E naught of anode. So what is our cathode? That is 0. What is our anode? That is minus 0.14 volt. So you will be getting plus 0.14 volt. Okay? You will be getting this answer. Okay, बेटे? तो 0.1 तो E नोट हमारे पास आ गई. अब हमने क्या निकालनी है बेटे? E सेल. What is E cell again? This is E naught minus 0.059 divided by N log. Now what is here and what is here? You know, you must know the cell. Let us draw the cell. So what is anodic compartment? That is tin. tin कहाँ जा रहा है? इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है तो ऑक्सीडेशन होके एनोड पे it will changing into Sn2 positive by the release of 2 electron. This is at anode. Anode पे आप ऑक्सीडेशन शो करोगे. Now at cathode. So at cathode there will be reduction. There will be reduction. So इसमें there will be the gain of the electron and 2 H positive will gain 2 electron. As electron already balanced, we'll add the equation. We will get Sn plus 2H positive, giving is Sn2 positive plus H2. Okay, bete? So this is our final equation. So in equation Sn2 positive is on the product side and H positive on the reactant side. So you will write Sn2 positive here and H positive here. Okay. So the molar concentration, what was the value of E naught and what is the value of N? Here you can see there are 2 electrons involved. So E cell, E naught की value क्या थी बेटे? It was 0.14 volt minus divided by 2 log. What was the value of Sn2 positive? It was 0.004. And what was the value of H positive? That is 0.02. After solving it, the answer you will be getting is 0.1105 volt. So I got it. How you will do this type of numerical? Okay, bete. Now I am taking the other one for you. This also came in 2018. Okay, let us start. So write down for the reaction given to you is 2AgCl plus hydrogen two Ag solid plus 2H positive. The concentration of H positive given is 0.1 molar. ठीक? And the chloride ion, the concentration will be same, that is 0.1 molar. Now in this section you are given with bete delta G naught. The value of delta G naught is provided to you, that is minus 43600 at 25 degrees Celsius, and you have to find the EMF, that is E naught again. EMF is E, you have to find. Now you have to find E. You are not given with any what is cathode, what is in anode. You are not given with E naught of any anode and cathode, but you have given with delta G naught. When you are given with delta G naught, bete, then you have to use the formula, that is delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught. Then you are able to find E naught here. Okay, so what is the value of delta G? N is number of electron involved. How can we find the number of electron in this particular equation? We will divide this equation into two parts. ठीक है बेटे, आप obviously देखो 2H पॉजिटिव ने अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहे होंगे तो 2 ही कर रहे होंगे, तो इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया होगा Ag को, तो -2. ठीक, what is the Faraday's constant? That is 96500, and we have to find E naught. Now from here, finding the E naught, you will get the answer, that is 0.2259 वोल्ट. अब हमारे पास E naught है, तो E cell कैसे निकालना है? Again E cell will be equal to E naught minus 0.0591 divided by N log reactant, the concentration of the product over the concentration of the reactant. Okay, what the point? So here the concentration is given 1, तो इधर हमने कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो let us find E cell. So E cell will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.591 here upon N log, यहाँ पे क्या है, Cl negative raised to the power 2, H positive raised to the power 2, and here it is given 1 at 1. Okay बेटे, so what was our E naught? मैं E naught की वैल्यू पुट कर दूं यहाँ पे 0.2259 volt. 0.0591 upon N की वैल्यू 2 log, what is the concentration of Cl negative? 0.1 square, what is the concentration of H positive? This is this divided by 1. Now you can find out the E cell, which will come out to be 0.3439. 0.3439 volt. This will be the answer. Okay. Easy one. I'm taking the other numerical, other type of the numerical. In the button cell, it is the NCRT based question, widely used in the watches and other devices. The following reaction take place. In the button cell, widely used in the watches and other devices, the following reaction take place. That is zinc solid plus silver oxide solid plus water, okay, plus water giving you zinc 2 positive plus OH negative plus OH negative. So this is the button cell reaction better to given us. Now you have to find out delta G and E naught for the reaction. Delta G and E naught for the reaction. Okay, but for finding out E naught of the reaction, the value of E naught of silver is, write down here, E naught, that is Ag is given to be given positive 0, it will be negative. You can write like this, bete. This is oxidation potential. I am turning into reduction potential before only. Now the value will be same. Okay, bete. The value for the silver is this, and the value of zinc, वो तो हमें अभी रट जानी चाहिए क्योंकि हमने इतनी बारी कर ली अब. It is minus 0.76 volt. Okay, 0.76 volt. अब जिंक क्या हो रहा है बेटे? ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. Zinc is getting oxidized. So zinc is acting as anode and silver oxide is reduced. हमें पता कैसे चला? देखो जिंक से जिंक 2 पॉजिटिव बना. यहाँ पे सिल्वर की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या है? Oxidation state of silver here. Hurry up. This positive 1 and it is getting to the solid 0. तो इसकी क्या हो रही है बेटे? पॉजिटिव 1 से 0 रिडक्शन जा रही है और जिंक से जिंक 2 पॉजिटिव जा रहा है तो ऑक्सीडेशन जा रहा है. तो जिसकी ऑक्सीडेशन होती है वो हमारा क्या हो जाता है? दैट इज एनोडिक डिपार्टमेंट and compartment, and जिसकी रिडक्शन हो रही है that is known as cathodic department. So we will find E naught first, that is E cathode minus E naught anode. What is our cathode? कैथोड पे हमारी क्या हो रही है? तो कैथोड पे जिस पे रिडक्शन हो रही है दिस इज दिस वन 0.344 और ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है हमारी जिंक की. तो वी विल गेट द आंसर एज 1.104 volt. After finding E naught, we have to find delta G. We have to find delta G. So delta G is minus NFE naught. So how many electrons are being involved in this particular reaction? there are 2 electrons as zinc is changing into zinc 2 positive. So 2 electrons should be lost and Ag से 2 Ag बन रहे हैं तो इसने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करे होंगे तो -2 into 96500 and E naught value is 1.104. From here you can find out the delta G, the value is 213.072. ओके तो इस वे में बेटे ये न्यूमेरिकल बेसिकली इस चैप्टर में है ही क्या न्यूमेरिकल तो आंसर क्वेश्चंस तो आने ही आने जितने न्यूमेरिकल प्रैक्टिस करोगे विल बी बेटर फॉर यू नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अदर टाइप ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल फॉर दिस वन let me take calculate the equilibrium constant of the reaction. Calculate K, that is equilibrium constant. So the reaction given to you is within copper and silver. This is the reaction given to you. And for the reaction E naught is already given to you, that is, no need to solve, 0.46 volt. E naught is already given to you. अब हमारी E naught और Kc में क्या रिलेशनशिप होती है बेटे तो हमें पता है E naught और Kc में रिलेशनशिप होती है ये और ये हमने कल कर लिया ये कैसे आया था जब K कब अराइज होता है जब आपकी रिएक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम पे तो अगर आप इसमें भी कंपेयर करो E इज इक्वल टू E नॉट नहीं तो आप ये लिख लो पहले अगर यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज इन द एग्जाम लॉग तो प्रोडक्ट ओवर रिएक्टेंट अब इक्विलिब्रियम पे जो प्रोडक्ट ओवर रिएक्टेंट है दैट इज K तो लॉग K और इक्विलिब्रियम पे सेल नहीं वर्क करेगा क्योंकि जितनी फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन हो रही है बेटे उतनी ही बैकवर्ड हो रही है तो सेल विल नॉट वर्क तो E सेल विल बी कैंसल आउट इट विल बी 0 एंड प्रोडक्ट ओवर रिएक्टेंट विल बी K तो हमारी E नॉट क्या आ गई E नॉट यही आ गई 0.059 डिवाइडेड बाय N log K and we have to find what K E naught हमारे पास है N हमें पता है there are 2 electron involved as the electron involved are 2 so we will put the value E naught is equal to 0.59 divided by 2 and the value of E naught and then the value of K you will get as write down the value of K you will be getting as bete 3.92 into 10 raised to the power 15. This is the value of K after putting all the values you will be getting. So we have done different type of numerical bete. We have taken NFE naught. We have taken a delta G that is E naught 0.059 divided by N log K also. So most of the type of numerical we have completed. Any doubt from this portion now? Any doubt beta you can ask. Anji. Any doubt?